Vega Jewelers, exclusive luxury bridal jewelry exhibition 6th and 7th December, Hotel ITC Grand, Bay Beach Road, Vizag.
So is Naga Chaitanya Shobita when they will have kids?
Okay.
They are very also trending couples.
For next year, there is 60 to 70% possibility that they will get pregnant,
Okay.
but I am getting for sure they will get kids within a till to 2027.
Okay. They will have kids.
Yeah, they
One
will
or
have
two kids?
two
How many?
kids.
Two kids. So by 2027.
For next year, there is a good news. I am
Okay.
getting 60% possibilities. I am getting someone telling them, someone convincing them currently to
Have kids.
have kids. That is the energy.
Yeah, because Naga Chaitanya said in one of the interview he wants kids.
Yeah. So next year, 70% I am getting.
Hmm.
Okay. So they are somewhere convinced 70 to 80%. So they are thinking in that way.
Okay. So very soon we'll have Naga Chaitanya and Shobita also will have kids, and Nagarjuna Garu will be a grandfather, trending grandfather. Okay.
Yeah.
So you see that. There's always a question about how when Prabhas will get married.
Okay.
So I think Prabhas is a young. We'll come to know when Prabhas gets married. Let's see.
In 2026, possibilities are actually less for marriage, but 27 I'm getting
So
strong.
he'll get married. Prabhas will get
Yeah.
married. Okay.
Yeah.
Will he have kids?
For sure, he will have kids, no doubt. But I'm getting he is actually presently he's stuck. He's thinking. Actually, he's not sure about marriage. That's why I'm not getting strong energy for 2026.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's confused. Whom to get married? Maybe.
Yeah, you can say that.
He has a lot
He's
of proposals.
Presently, he's just thinking.
Okay.
Thinking to get married. He's thinking about, he's serious about his career and future. And, presently he's thinking in that way to
Is
get
he
married.
single or he's dating? Anything we can see? Is he dating somebody? Is he in love with somebody?
Sorry, I can't say this.
Okay, but is he like single or dating? That too we can say, right?
Not sure.
Will he have arranged or love marriage? That too we can say. Will Prabhas have love or arranged marriage? That too we can predict, right?
Strong possibility for arranged marriage.
Oh, good guy. So Prabhas will have an arranged marriage.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think their parents or their family people will search a
They
girl
are
and he will.
convincing him currently, and
Okay. They are forcing
they will
him.
start searching next year.
Girl for
Girl.
Prabhas.
For
Prabhas is getting mentally prepared to get married. Right now, this is the situation.
He's thinking in that way.
Okay, that's very interesting. Mostly people, curious to know about these things, And Ram Charan and Upasna, like they are very nice couples, and they already had a beautiful daughter, and now she's carrying. So how will be her pregnancy and her life in 2026 as a mother, as a father, And will she have twins? There is a news going on. Will she have twins?
Let me check.
Just see what is the future of Ramcharan and Upasana.
I can't say strongly twins.
Hmm.
There are possibility 50%, I can say 100%. Possibilities are for twins there is less possibility, but she will be very happy uh, with their kid. She
Second
will be
baby.
happy, second baby, yeah. She'll be happy and she will be very after second baby she will get lot of opportunity, stability, more future, more growth, and business security I'm getting.
Okay, so she'll be working.
Yeah, she will be working after.
Second pregnancy also good.
Yeah,
And as Ramcharan and Upasana as couple, 2026, how it will be for them?
they will be very busy in 2026.
Oh.
Yeah, they will be happy. They are very good couple actually. They are supporting each other, they are understanding each other, so bond is very strong.
Hmm.
But I'm getting her husband will be very busy in
Yeah,
work.
he is busy. Yeah, he's doing some very big
Yeah.
project movie.
Yeah, he will not able to give very good time. He can't spend very good time.
Time with family.
Yeah.
Okay, so how is the movie? Very big movies coming, Peddi. How is movies will work in 2026 for Ramcharan?
Okay.
Movies will work for him. There are so many big budget movies are coming. So
Okay.
Ramcharan upcoming movie will be how its movies will work in 2026.
It will be good only.
Hmm.
He will get lot of projects,
Hmm.
lot of opportunities I'm getting, which will be stay for a long term.
Mm-hmm.
And 2026 very good for him, very good.
Okay.
Stability, financial stability I'm getting. He will buy a lot of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Materialistic wise, he'll
Yeah.
buy so many things.
Yeah.
He'll be a
House, land, property.
oh my god. They already have so much. Okay.
Or business.
Okay.
Yeah. Financial security I'm getting, and there is a possibility that he will start any business in
Okay.
2026.
New business.
New
Which sector?
business.
Which sector we can
It's related to family only.
okay, family related.
Family business or family related thing.
Okay.
Or there is also possibility that family business will grow.
Okay.
Yeah. Other branches will, start.
New branches.
New branches, yeah.
Okay. And how's 2026 for Allu Arjun and Sneha as couple? Their
Okay.
future.
It will be good.
Okay, Allu Arjun and Sneha as couple.
Yeah.
So 2026 is good for them.
Yeah, it will be good for them.
Hmm.
They will be very busy. I'm getting she is planning to start any business or something.
Allu Arjun wife.
Yeah,
Okay.
presently she is thinking to start something business or something.
Mm-hmm.
Some discussion is going on, something is going on in her mind. That is the energies I'm getting. So in 2026 some business will going to start.
And how's movies will do of Allu Arjun? Their big banner movies are coming. Will he dominate Bollywood again? He's dominating Bollywood.
I'm getting very good cards.
Hmm.
Uh, there is lots of success. I'm getting lot of success
Mm-hmm.
and stability, more money, more you know materialistic thing
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting. So they are very busy into work,
Work.
very
2006.
busy in 2026.
And health wise?
They need to just do some meditation practices are very important in 2026.
Both Allu Arjun and his wife.
Correct. Both need to do some spiritual practices. Meditation is very important. I'm not getting any any
Health
injury
issues.
or any. But yes, there is some work pressure, workload, stress.
That's
Is the
always
energy.
there.
Yeah.
And last, Junior NTR,
Okay.
2026 for Junior NTR. So now, interesting part is coming. So, what is the future of the actor Junior NTR in 2026?
He's planning to start something big.
Okay,
Okay.
production house or something. maybe.
Yeah, something.
First, Indian cinema related to cinema.
So I'm getting presently he's working on himself. Okay, he's doing a lot of things. He's working on himself.
On health.
Not, you can say that help,
हाँ.
but overall he's working on something. It could be also work. He is preparing for something big
So big
project.
role. So big role maybe he's
Yeah,
preparing.
yeah, you can say that. Big project or big role. You can say that.
And health wise,
Health wise, he will be good.
and family as a couple, 2026 for both.
I'm getting some third person. He should not share his ideas to anyone because 2026 there is a possibility many people, you know, trying to take his idea or something. So he should not share his plannings.
That's a
Or-
good tip. I think sir should listen this. Yeah.
Yeah, and he should not share things with someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
He should do more spiritual practices, meditation. He will get all the answer. Whatever, you know, block him inside the mind. Okay, he should just meditate. He'll get the answers.
oh, and health wise, marriage wise,
Health wise,
he's fine.
yeah, his health will be good, and marriage life also good.
I mean, all have all good factors. This is a one advice, not to share ideas with anybody for Junior
Yeah,
India.
yeah. Ideas, planning. He should not share things with others.
Okay, the outsiders basically. Obviously, with wife, he must be sharing with his
Yeah,
father or
yeah.
the relatives.
He should not share.
Maybe he can get cheated in that. The sign we can see.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah,
So you need to be very careful.
yeah.
So that was a tarot card reading is really amazing. I mean, I just felt that, you know, without people present here, उनके बिना होते हुए आपने नाम से ही इतनी सारी मतलब predictions कर दी.
क्योंकि नेम में भी एनर्जी होती है.
Okay.
जब किसी के बारे में आपने बात किया, जब आप भी बात कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली उनका पिक्चर आपके माइंड में है, राइट?
Okay.
तो जब आप किसी का पिक्चर या किसी भी चीज का पिक्चर आप अपने माइंड में क्रिएट करते हैं, तो उस पर्सन की एनर्जी को आप अपने अंदर ना क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. तो उनके नेम में भी एनर्जी है. तो हम जब भी किसी का नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ या उसका पिक्चर या कुछ भी देखते हैं, हम उनके एनर्जी से कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं.
Okay. So that's the game behind doing tarot card reading. I mean, somebody can come and talk and find out about anything.
या
But personally अगर रहें तो और अच्छा रहता है. That will-
पर्सनली रहेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, बिकॉज ये परमिशन नहीं होता है किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ज्यादा बोलना.
Okay, the detailed theory of it. Basic we can find out.
Yeah.